Yo, it's is the mic pretty sensitive or? There we go. What's up, Jocko? Different setup today. I know, I know. Let's pop it. Keep it. Let's get Dax on here. I'm thinking Dax buys. We'll see. Let me get in close and personal and should probably add on Discord. Buys. Dax buys were good yesterday, to be honest. We should have probably took those. They weren't too shabby. Yeah, what's up, hoodie? What's up? There it is. What up, Nolani? Yeah, guys, different thing. This is obviously this setup, guys. You guys haven't noticed. What's up, Nolani? Yes, he's solid too. Yeah, but buys are looking pretty good. I think um as far as like yesterday, yes, sells were looking good, but um just because sells look good doesn't mean that buys weren't valid. As far as FTSC, buys were not valid. I think he would have got faked out there, but Jared was looking good. If you come back down here, you can see what he goes here. Right here, right? Yeah. Once we broke these highs, you could have bought here, and price ran up. But as far as that, um, did not happen. So it's good, Jr. What are you doing? I can't see how many people are in here, but I can. So again, kind of looking for buys right now. It's gonna go over it super quick. What I'm thinking is if I see obviously a break higher here, um, I'll probably end up shooting for buys, especially if we get that push headline and open. We're kind of seeing the same thing on DAX. And we've kind of been seeing that a lot recently, where um, both are kind of moving together. But I fucking hate how Luke has the magnet thing on. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn the magnet off. Or gotta hop on the chart. What's good? Chilling. Just got home. Oh yeah, guys. I want to give away an account today, but you guys have to actually get the likes up, at least 20 or something. We'll see if more people hop on as time kind of crunches down, but yeah, we'll see what we can get into today. As you guys know, yesterday full ported our challenge account or our flip account, and you know, took an L. So no more challenge. We're back to regular trading, and then maybe next week we'll do something kind of cool. Someone was recommending a challenge with me and Luca. We'll see. We'll kind of Luca said I don't want the smoke apparently, but I'll take it all day. So nice.
Yo,
This It's not that popping. I don't know why. The wait. Gotta get it popping.
Was good. Was good. That was good.
We'll see what happens here at Open.
Was good. What?
That or what? You had it. Hell yeah. That's Mali, Legacy. Good morning, good morning. More people are hopping in as we get closer to London. Again, look for buys. I think I'm liking DAX a bit more than UK 100, but they're looking relatively the same. So um, maybe we shoot for two different trades right now. Hmm? Lucas said he might hop in, guys. He might run it up. I'm thinking he should. I'm thinking he should. What are you guys looking at right now? Anyone looking at anything else? I was actually looking at DJ, guys. And I was looking at this setup and I did not get in. And and I didn't expect it to react the way it reacted, but it did. And it's actually running pretty well. Where I had a nice area. It was a 5 minute supply up in here. As you can see, price wicked up super fast. Was not expecting that. Kind of forgot what that means. Hey Jocko, he did fix the YouTube delay. Wait, is it fixed on here though? Yeah. He showed me how to fix the delay, so we're solid now. Don't worry, guys. We're solid. I'm thinking buys maybe the move, but we are all time highs on share, which is a bit. Eh, that doesn't mean price isn't bound to continue higher, especially when we have Asia highs just sitting up here. And have to see what happens. Again, we're only going for 101, so if we really get that quick push, we're in and out, and that's that. So I'm ready. I'm liking buys, yes sir. I'm thinking that's what we're shooting today, guys. We're gonna again, it was kind of upsetting starting with the loss because we always start with the win, but that's trading. So um again, we're gonna kill it today. Gonna absolutely kill it. Yeah, the 1 hour is looking good for buys too. Maybe just even fill in this gap. That's what I'm liking there as well. So kind of just gives us a little bit more conviction. To shoot higher here. Same with UK 100. We do have room to shoot higher here. There's a big gap here that we could be looking to just fill in. We already have a bottom wick on the daily candle, which I like. Um, Especially if we push through here. So depending on how we see a reaction, maybe we hop in both. Maybe we hop in both right now. And I do want to wait for London to come around. So we still have about 10 minutes. You guys know DAX took off pre-market yesterday, and ended up not playing out. Kind of just started messing around. So hopefully we see like a reaction here. Um, get a little bit of like that. top wick kind of just hold off. So open would be nice. But I definitely will be ready to shoot once London opens around. Like Drake said, the money speaking for itself. I caught fortune tells. I know I want to play music so bad. You can't play music. I swear you can write like something about not being copyrighted in your description and you're good. 'Cause I was doing that at one point.
Nice.
Uh, Alright, guys, Dax is already taken off. I don't think I want to get in pre-market to be honest, because we could still kind of have a false break here. Which, if we do end up reacting off it, I kind of feel better than getting in once I see that push higher. As far as UK 100 right now, stop would be I'm not used to set up the little if it's finished, let it come back to hold. Yeah, your stop should be here for now. Okay, yeah, guys. Yeah, Luke's telling me to tip you guys, but nah, but the reason I really do like this trade here is especially because we have Asia highs untapped. If you guys don't know, session liquidity is probably some of the best liquidity to target or to use to find better entry and exit points. So that's the goal here is to target it. We may not go entirely for that because you have to be content. Obviously, price can go that high, but nothing's promised. So that's what I want with this. But same thing for that. It's the same concept every single day that we come in here. You'll see price get or you'll see sessions get manipulated over and over and over. So expecting the same thing here. Again, going for 101. Kind of like UK 100 now a little bit more. Um, Still would be open to entering DAX, but we'll see. Look, your voice is cracking. Damn, thank you. Thank you. Hey, can you speak it? Oh, okay. It's because the mic was far. Lucas said I didn't have to be too far or too close. Sorry. So that clip's probably bad. Better. Thank you. We're good now. Jay looking nice. Oh, hi, Nick. Jocko, what's up? Didn't know you were talking. Shut the fuck up. Fucking Jocko. Get the fuck out of here. Nah, me and Jocko will be beefing sometimes because he be doing the most. Nah, it's all love. Funny. So much better. Why didn't no one tell me sooner like that? How much pip stop loss? 22 on Jer, but again, like depending on how the open happens, because we're still 6 minutes away from open. Obviously, stop loss is subject to change. DAX is clearly pushing up beforehand. I'm not going to enter. You guys can if you want to enter pre. I mean, we're seeing a pretty good push there, or a pretty good volume filled candle. But at that point, if price just took off, I'd rather just wait for UK 100, expecting it to do the same thing. Right? Settings for session indicator, yeah. So this is Luca's. Hold on, I'm not too familiar with this. So I'll scroll through it again. You can like pause the live and go back. So went through it all. There you go. But that's it. I was literally hitting my volume up back button too. Thought it was tripping. Dude, y'all gotta tell me earlier. I want to say L chat for that. I mean, that's why there's no viewers in here. They couldn't hear me. But as we get closer, we'll see what happens. As you can see, DAX is coming back here. It doesn't mean price isn't still going to push at open, so we'll see. As of right now, I'm liking UK 100. Especially if we get that sweep with these, like, this area here and push higher. Beautiful. There will be a wick. We'll see. We'll see if your prediction is correct. Might be. Good, Nick, how you doing? What's up, Michael? I'm doing good, bro. How are you doing? I'm pretty sure this is the Michael I know. Doing pretty well, I'd say. Just about to catch a dub right now, and we'll see from there. We're getting a pretty crazy down wick right now. Chilling, bro, at work. At least you can go on your phone. It's lit. Thank you for tuning in. Thing to say, but trust. That sounds like nah, bro. It doesn't sound like we get anything. We'll see what happens. Will you be permanently trading London with us? Yes, most likely. Yeah, permanently London. I like London. I like how it moves. What's up, Teresa? Yeah, I like how London moves. Not really a fan of New York. And again, like, yeah, this down candle is actually pretty crazy, pretty open. Has me thinking possible sells. Possibly. We do have a shit ton of liquidity just sitting all down here. So we could see price just totally tank here. We kind of already are. And I've been trash for 3 months. I still trade it. You gotta learn how to trade forex. Trading in the morning with options hard with work schedule. Yeah. Finding one of my biggest things is finding a system that fits your personality, your lifestyle. Because again, like, obviously, like, you got shit to do. So, but finding a system that works with it is probably the best thing, for you, for anyone, I'd say. Wow, that push down is crazy, but we still have a minute. Sells, I'd have such a massive stop loss here, guys, where I probably wouldn't even want to enter sells. Just because of how fat this gap is, our stops would have to be all the way up here. Which again, like, that's definitely still doable, but I'm not entering sells, guys. Taco may end up taking him and then talking shit. He talks like playful shit. Not really. I just kind of say talk shit. I like talking shit to Jocko. It's all love. Okay, this markets are about to open. Let's see.
Buy, 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 buy. Spam buys.
Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. Maybe.
Tobacco buy sells. I'm kidding. Oh shit. Still. Oh shit. Good push. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Take it in.
If I see it continue to push up, I might hop in. I'm hopping in. Yeah, I got entered in.
Let's go.
But spread is just dog shit.
Oh, you already have a bag.
Spread is dog shit. It's so terrible.
Oh, you got it.
Insanely.
What up, chat?
Let's check out UK100. Guys, UK100 is pushing 2 right now.
Oh, dude, yeah, that 4-hour flips, oh my lord.
Possibly, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't like that top wick.
Woo!
Yeah, I'm in DAX buys right now. New York session, Luca. Yeah, Luca will be on for New York session, of course. Luca owns New York session. He owns Power Hour, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, guys, New York session is coming though. So the top looks cheeks, guys. We could end up pushing all the way up here. So see what happens. Or we get top wick like that. Guys, if we take a loss here, we might end up blaming Luca for being bad luck. Okay. Luca should be the good luck charm. Oh, that's UK100.
Tell him that's cap. Did you lose?
No. This is UK100. We're kind of getting top hooked right now. Like crazy.
You smoking trade, you bad boy? Hey, yo, shit. Chat, W's in the chat for my boy Nick. Pulling it down London session for the gang.
About to catch a W. We'll see.
Could just be a liquidation. If you guys really think about it, if this 4-hour flips, this could just be a minor pullback to continue higher. If this flips and goes bullish, I can eat.
We'll see. UK100 is looking nice for buys too, guys. I might hop in there too and say fuck it. I'm in UK100, guys. I think I'm hopping in here and going for a quick 101. And if we lose, we lose. Then we go full port. Gold. I should have massive stops on UK100 right now. We'll see. UK100 is looking solid. DAX is fucking around right now. But we'll get first candle close right now and see what happens.
It's acting like New York session open.
Yeah, it is acting like New York. That's why I stopped trading New York, because it's acting like this. I have to go back to New York.
Yeah.
Guys, UK100 is pushing right now. Again, I'm just looking to manipulate Asia highs there. It's about a 101, a little bit less. But I'm in both of these. I'm shooting. We're shooting. But I expect if UK100 is going to push, I'm expecting DAX. So full port. Nolani, we full port the other day. And you know how that went. I'm not full porting these accounts. Nah. Yeah, you're right. There was a massive wick close. How you predicting the markets, huh? want the sauce. What's the sauce? You gonna sell me the sauce now? It's crazy. We could be chilling for a while, guys. And this volume really starts kicking in here. Trading while high challenge. Cartoony. Let's do it. Nah. I feel like that's so hard to promote. That's like not necessarily like hard to promote. It's such a bad thing to promote. Like getting as high as like it's not like we're, you know, weed YouTubers, whatever it is, like Eric Khan. But I mean, on JPN should open if the first candle has a wick decent, the size to up and on deck. Good to know. Good to know. Guys, I'm expecting price to push higher here, but we'll see. But that first candle was pretty gnarly. But you guys know what happened yesterday on UK 100. We had a lot of chop where price kept giving just false breakout both directions. So we'll see. Oh, there goes Jer. It sucked with go with losses to start the week, but that just means we're that much closer to getting back on our win streak. So, but that's how I look at it. Every time you win, you're one more trade closer to a loss. Every time you lose, you're one trade closer to a win. It's about having good risk. I'm willing to shoot on these and honestly fuck it. Did you trade yesterday? I did. We were trading a flip challenge. And that's another reason why I'm also giving a funded account away tonight. But you guys have to get it to like 20 likes at least. And we'll give another 10K account away. So I gave one away yesterday because I full ported because margin is just not there with the the $300 account. And price. You listening to over there? What account is it? The one that we're doing. Oh, it's a like Larry funded account. It's a 10K. Price is chopping. Next Instagram fire. NiicksFX. I think actually, if you look at my name now, it pops up like NiicksFX. Like if I'm not mistaken, I think I've done it before. Hey, me, what the fuck? Nah.
Where you
That's
at?
nah, that's not how you spell it. Watch, go, go. You gotta spell it right. Alright, just gonna look up NiicksFX. Nah, that's crazy.
It's a bad time.
It's Luca's computer. It still don't pop, but that's crazy. I guess I got shadow banned. That's my excuse.
Put you on blast like that one, and then they like pump you up.
Oh, it says Nick's Instagram. Wait. It auto corrected. Oh, there we go.
Oh, damn, actually, all right, guys, get him to
10K.
700, and he'll give away an account, and I'll fund it. Google Eminem to Gorilla Show.
What'd she say?
That's hilarious. She said Google Eminem to Gorilla Show. It's supposed to be a fire.
It's fire.
The boys.
I don't even know. UK 100. This was UK 100. But it's kind of chopped. Jerry's kind of pulling back right now. We'll see. Luke, are your toes still out? That's crazy. He saw the story I posted. How's
No,
it?
it's San Diego.
I know it's San Diego. He said, but he gotta be wearing that shit. And this is a nice reaction here, guys. Beautiful reaction. If beautiful. Hello, sussy. Kinda, huh? Guys, if we catch 2 W's tonight, fuck it. What are we doing? Make Luca go out with me. We'll go live on Kick. Take my other phone out. Go to the club. Get drunk. Place another trade. Ah, that's crazy. That's a crazy plot. Love this reaction here, guys. Love it. Love it. Might end up closing before price gets all the way up here, guys. Just depends. Now you guys got to give us ideas for what to do out here in San Diego. We could really do some crazy streams. I don't think Luca's taking a pic, guys. I don't think I'm just. Oh yeah, good little push here. Listen to Nick, he's a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. We got to do a stream. We're gonna do a stream, guys, on the rooftop. Luca needs to. That's a good reaction.
Good
Great
reaction.
reaction.
Good bottom leg.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
What are you talking about, bro? It's a daily occurrence. Yeah. Put both on. We'll see, guys. I'd like to see price close like this, but obviously price could end up coming back down. Go mess with Escondido, boss. Get the fuck out of the chat. How do you even know what that is? I thought you're from a different country. And then how you know Escondido is? Crazy. Wild. Bro got jokes apparently. Good push, guys. Good pushes. Hope price continues to react here and go higher. All right, guys. I know I kind of told you the other day I was gonna do the back testing. I know I was talking on Luca's live today. I think I was gonna do the back testing thing tomorrow, but I didn't announce it or anything. So tomorrow I'm gonna announce that I have to back test with you guys for an hour. If you guys don't know, I lost a bet with Luca, and now I have to back test with you guys for an hour. So Thursday we will I'll be in the Discord. I'll be there. So if you guys want to hop in there, it'd be pretty cool. Chill out. Um, back test. You guys can ask any questions, of course. You guys can even show me some, some bangers. I'm always open to looking at how people are trading in different systems too. I mean, if you got the sauce, drop the sauce. So um, what time on Thursday? That'll be announced tomorrow, Nolani. Yes, it'll be announced tomorrow. I got you. Don't worry. Because I don't even know yet. That's why. I'm being 100%. And I feel like money. Did the Padres win today, guys? I don't think they did, huh? Fucking shitters. Actually, I gotta check. Next, don't even try to hide. I know what you're doing. I know you're doing black. We're still winning. Yeah, guys. Doing black and still winning. Fuck you talking about? Another winning day. I'd say so, guys. I mean, depending on where your stops were on UK 100, guys, you guys could already be exiting. Like, if you guys had tightened stops here, 1-1's already hit. No, about not yet. Not yet. But yeah, you guys can start closing and pull We'll plot the top now. Guys, there's pushing. I'm really just getting on 101 on Jer, guys. We're pretty close. CP. Luca disappeared. I don't know where he went. I'm gonna have to go tell him if we win this, we're gonna have to go get drunk. Imagine. Do you think he would? What is it, Tuesday? Wait, Luca, let's go. The Tuesday. What are you talking about, Luca? What are you talking about? I mean, I say we can go to break even now. I'm gonna go to break even. I'm gonna break even on DAX, letting price run. UK 100, I think so as well. So now we're in some risk-free trades, running it up. Fucking right. Solid. Gangsta. Guys, you might want to be careful and exit at this high here. Just because we might see a nice little wick here. I had a horrible spread, but I'm gonna push a little bit higher here. I'm low-key content. But I think I'm gonna push for UK 100 a little bit higher. I might close Jer here. Might close Jer, but we are at break even, so it doesn't matter. We could run it up a bit. We could run it up to Asia highs and see what happens. Definitely getting out before we hit this area of supply. Definitely. Nice. Alright, I'm out on DAX, guys. I closed DAX. For a pretty good move. For like 101. UK 100, we're at break even and we're just running it up. We're probably running it up all the way to Asia highs here, I'd say. I feel comfortable doing that just because we're not at all-time highs, unlike DAX where we kind of are. I have to start playing a crazy ass song right now. Just see what happens, guys. Let's just let it run. Just let it run. FX actually bought a 3 million private jet. Woo, I know, crazy, huh? Bro actually brought a crazy private jet. Guys, took out here just because we're coming up to this high here. I didn't like how we're reacting. I'm not saying price can't continue to push higher. We still have Asia highs here, but we're sitting at all-time highs here, and it's just a little bit scary to me. I'm not saying price can't continue to make new highs, but yeah, I just wasn't a fan of it. And was really content with where I was sitting at profits wise. Oops. Fuck. We'll see, guys. I mean, worst comes worst here. We come down, we get taken out of break even, and we walk away with the W still in the day. So can't be mad at that. The one thing I'm thinking is price could end up creeping down into this area here and then push higher. So that could be an issue that we're possibly looking at just because of that gap there. But I'm still thinking price could push a little bit higher here and take out Asia highs. We have a pretty good amount of liquidity sitting up there. Expecting volume to just continue to push. was the giveaway on IG. The giveaway tonight. Go follow my Instagram. You have to get me to, I believe Lucas said 700. So that's quite a bit of followers. So some of you already follow me. So it may not happen tonight. But he said give me to 7,700 followers. Um, but I don't know. You guys got to do it. I believe Dax is going back up towards a huge bullwhip and made up high. Good morning. What's up, Xander? You're missing out on some money, my guy. Yeah, guys, Dax is gonna continue to push. I'm telling you. I mean, we could end up pushing to these highs here. We really could. For your trucks look beastie, do a showcase. Little truck, I forgot you follow me. Guys, Dax is pushing here. Beautiful. Could end up running to about a 1 to 2, I'd say. But that just gives me a good sign that UK should continue to push here. Take out those highs. We can run up this other bag here. So, or not. Oh my god. Sorry, I had a burp. As I put up on Luca. And like I've always like been out here in San Diego and like always thought like sometimes I'm like I feel like these people don't really even like check when you pay and like to park. So I went and I paid and I parked. The ticket didn't print, like there was no ticket paper in there, whatever. Walked away. I was like, whatever. Like these other cars don't have tickets. Like come back later, there's a ticket on my car. Of course. Um I'm like, damn, like fuck. So contemplating. Do you think my car will get towed? Or do you think I'll get another ticket by the morning? I don't know. Or the woman at Nick? Sent them all home, my guy. No, I'm just kidding. I ain't no women. What the fuck? I'm a traitor. No, I'm kidding. Oh my god, what a beautiful push, guys. Well, I would celebrate and go crazy, but people are sleeping over here, so. But wow, what a push. Just don't pay the ticket. Is that how it works? Like, I just don't have to pay, but like, don't they fucking, like, can't they, like, uh, something with my plate? Like, I don't know. But here's what I was gonna do is, since like I did pay for the parking and like it literally charged my card and everything, and I was just gonna say screw it. Um, I mean, but it's like a 50, 60, $70 ticket. But I mean, if I don't have to pay it, I don't have to pay it. But but I don't want it to start like racking up and shit if I don't pay or some bullshit like that. Guys, again, I told you guys I'd probably want to take out at this supply because the supply, yeah, we're definitely gonna get a reaction off of it, and it's already kind of showing that. Um, I'm not saying price is gonna hold there, but you always tend to see reactions at those like pretty major points where you clearly see a clear supply and demand, especially when it's followed by some type of imbalance or inefficient price. You're going to see a reaction there, even if it ends up just having a reaction within that singular candle and pushing higher, or having a reaction where we kind of hesitate here for a while and then push up, or have a type of reaction where we totally reverse. So when you meet someone, don't tell them you're a trader, tell them you're a professional risk manager. Nah, I'd be telling. I can't tell you what I tell people. Or yeah, definitely see a PV first. Boyfriend, it reaches fully. Yeah, I kind of didn't really understand fully what she said, but yeah, I'll agree. Guys, I would probably exit Dax by now. It's just yeah, the only reason I'm riding UK 100 is because we could see a push higher. What do you tell people you do? Nothing. Not saying. Fantastic trade, guys. Very fantastic, guys. W's in the chat. Truly, because wow, all losses covered exactly. Everything is covered from yesterday. And that was really just from that one DAX trade. And again, UK 100 is we're still in. Still looking to push a little bit higher. W. Yes, Nolani, thank you. Nolani, I saw your other account today. We gotta blow it up. You gotta get it popping. You gotta keep posting, stay consistent. Do more trades off black is clearly working better for you than silver. Shut the fuck up, cartoon. Cause you're kinda right. Cause you're kinda right. But it's not black. I don't know why you're man. Crazy. Crazy accusations. NLT all winning, dude. NLT is filled with winners. You guys don't understand, like Tay, like I open the mentorship and the Discord, and it's just W. Obviously, occasional L's, but that's trading. But you guys don't understand. Like today, I posted a thing. Bunch guy named Dakota made a bunch of money. Tay made a bunch of money. Passes in another funded account. Crazy. I wanted to keep it a secret. LOL. I know I saw your story. I was like, damn. Nah, but honestly, like that content is really, really popular right now. Really, really popular. Tay is killing it. Tay's a goat. Alani's a goat too, guys. You gotta go. Um, check her out. Nah, but keep posting that stuff. Super big. If any of you are in the beginning of your journey, like start recording now, especially if like in your mind your goal is to eventually be in a position where you're mentoring people, helping people, um, and doing stuff like that. Start by recording your journey. I mean, if you can build a following just off that, it's ultimately just going to help you later on, especially when you are in the position where you can now sell or help other people become better traders based off your information, based off the data that you've gotten over the years. So I encourage everyone to do it. Create a community. Like you get some of you may know this, but in the beginning, even when I was not profitable, like year one, I created a Discord community with just myself and eventually invited my friends, would send trades, act as if there was already 1,000 people in there. I serious would send my trade ideas, would act like there's people in there, would send out daily breakdowns, even if it was just for me to look back on. And I started promoting it, and then it's like, it's here. Mostly missed trades in Asia and London, so I'm chilling to New York. Guys, we ran up to Asia highs about, so UK 100 is looking good, looking solid. Guys, we'll see. We'll kind of give UK 100 a bit of time to play out, and we'll go from there. Crazy pop wick. We may just end up tanking here, and we're at break even, guys. So. I don't think we got my Instagram too. No, we didn't. Refresh. Is that what it is? We didn't, guys. We didn't. I'm sorry, unfortunately. That just means next stream we have to give it away because by then, we'll definitely get there. So getting good followers at night. So, but again, I would say get out of DAX if you're still holding UK 100. Again, we're at break even. Who cares? We'll see what happens as price continues to play out. What's up, Nico? How we doing? That most we left others actually debuting, so UK party just started. Yeah. I think we're run up UK 100. How's been your legend session? Pretty good, bro. We just kind of came out of a challenge where I did full port the account because I got bored of the challenge and just kind of again just didn't get in a good trade. And just again it was a challenge, so I had to give you guys an account. Gonna give away one more account, but we're waiting until I hit a certain amount of followers on Instagram. but now just kind of back to regular trading, which again, we started the challenge up pretty damn well. I believe we were coming off a win streak. So, um, yeah, pretty damn well. I mean, we just caught a beautiful UK 100. I mean, well, we're about to catch a UK 100 W. Caught at this DAX W, and gonna catch this UK 100 one right now. So, we'll see what happens. Yeah, yeah, okay. Voting 160. Oh yeah, love that. He hates gold. How many trades do you normally take during London? Max two, max two. Most of the time, just one. To be honest, but again, like tend to see UK 100 and Jer moving the same. So if I'm liking one, I'm usually liking the other, and I can really kind of capitalize on a um good move on both setups. I mean, on both indices. Yeah, honestly, I hate gold, guys. You should know that. And when you say future, are you talking about the artist? I think you are. Huh? I think you are. I like him. New music, new music, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's whatever. I could probably drop something harder. No, I'm kidding. That's crazy. It's a crazy comment. He's getting too old for this shit. Yeah. You guys see how old Drake's getting? Pretty old. Pretty old. Damn crazy. I'm gonna be there one day. But at least I'm gonna be old and rich. So it'll all be worth it. Take a struggle. Guys, you guys know how I feel about waiting when it comes to these pairs. Need to stop. Mainstream guys. We'll see. He's getting too old for this shit. Yeah. Get rid of that. Guys, just a waiting game. What is Dax doing? We got too many motherfucking pairs on this thing. I'm gonna talk shit on him tomorrow. Or to him. About how many pairs there is. Perfect push there. Guys. Entertain me in chat. Start an argument, cartoony. Do what you do best and start beef with someone in chat. What's a good session to trade during the morning, like 11 to 12? What's a good? Um, like, are you talking PST? It's like power hour. Not my ops quiet during the stream. Yeah, your ops are quiet right now. No one's running their mouths. Yeah, it's power hour. So I mean, pretty good time then. If not around like 5 to 6:30. Later, Jocko, you're fucking a goat. Guys, we made pretty good money today. Um, did pretty well just on this trade alone. I already know Yuki 100 is gonna run it up. If not, I mean, we're break even. Who cares? They're gonna get off, and you know, I'm just wanting this to push already. Hope it isn't chopped. Hello, ops quiet. I'm also around. Dude, you're something cartoony. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't even know what to say to that. Let's see how GJ played out, guys. You guys know I was waiting for GJ, but didn't expect the reaction that we got. And like this way, I'm gonna talk shit. A little bit of wrong. Like, what the fuck is this? Didn't see much reaction again. I'm still expecting to push a little bit further down. Okay, no, Tay. So I announced that the backtesting session is going to be Thursday because I want to make an actual announcement for it. Um, so Thursday, it's gonna be Thursday. No, Lon, you already asked the time. I don't know the time yet. I'll announce that technically later today. Can you glaze my GBP and CD cell trade, please? I don't know where it went. Fuck. All right, cells. We are definitely bearish within this leg, but my biggest thing is like when we're super over bearish, I'm always expecting a pullback. I'm not saying price is bound to always pull back, but I mean we could end up seeing a minor pullback before price ends up shooting down. But we'll see what happens. Not saying I don't like it. So yeah, it's fine. That wick is crazy, guys. Again, we could manipulate highs here and then shoot lower. So please make sure you're out of DAX. Unless you really know something I don't as far as how price should continue higher, but um, I'd be very cautious there. So you can are just really messing around, guys. I wanted to push higher here. Once we push higher here, like if we were to break out here with a pretty good body closure, from there, I would end up moving stops to this next level here. Dude, this like, how'd you know? I'm kidding. Nah, I did not watch. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I would watch like Minecraft videos. And I used to play like competitive Fortnite and shit, and, like in tournaments and shit like that. Yeah, I was a little video game nerd, especially during COVID. And then I started locking the fuck in, um, like junior, senior, locked in and got right. And everybody saw me grinding and kept grinding after high school. Said fuck college. Now getting to a point where it's like, people are recognizing and leveling up little by little. Where all traders come from Fortnite. A lot of traders do come from. A lot of people do. A lot of people did. It's weird. But like the competitive, like yeah, weird. But I mean, it is what it is. I mean, maybe it's because I mean the way I like to think of it is like if you think of trading as a game in the sense of like you have to. I mean, in a video game, you're not just amazing off the jump. I mean, you can be somewhat decent, but you have to kind of die and learn different strategies and lessons and ways and techniques. And it same things apply to trading. You kind of have to learn the same thing, the same techniques, the lessons. Um, so and it all really comes down from losses, dude. Like you gotta lose in order to win, really, to get better, right? Fortnite does resemble their trading a lot. The fact that you learn to adapt to new shit, differences, and improving over time. Yeah, exactly. That's why they say trading is like a video game. Treat it like a video game. And that's why so many video game nerds are good at it. Same thing with like anything. Like if life is a fucking video game. Like even like drop shipping. Like I mean, not really the same thing as video game, but like I mean, it's like leveling up your own character. Like it's like people play these video games, and I'm not hating on video games. Like I'm not saying sometimes like I won't load up, CS:GO every now and then when I ain't got shit to do. No more meetings, whatever. Um, but it's very very rare. Maybe once a month, once every 2 months. Um, but it's just like a lot of people focus too much on video games, and it's like you gotta, you know, level up your life. Yeah, like your video game's your own life. Like treat your life a video game. Level up, get better, work out, get fit, read, do this, do that, start a business, make money, make more money, level up even more. Just a lot harder than real life, obviously. Next, do you have a Prince Albert piercing? What the fuck is that cartoon? Then I'll play UFC 4. I'm tired of beating everyone online. Teresa, if I have to download it, um, and hop on there and whoop all of you guys in chat, I really will. Don't try me. Gaming sports is my whole life. Yeah, I'm like again, like gaming is not a bad thing. Like the reason I say gaming is not a bad thing is because you can make money from gaming. You can, like you really can. Um, in multiple ways. Let's go. I'm down to scrap. Might have to. Might have to. We're gonna fly the whole NLT gang out. We're gonna throw on gloves and we're just gonna start swinging. And whoever wins is the best NLT member. Go to character. Cesar Charles, the Bronx Oliver, Alex Burr. Love my Brazilians. I play competitively though. Competitively what? What do you play competitively? Like Fortnite? Played Fortnite competitively for a little bit, but that was like way early on. Made a little bit of money and that's it. 2K tournaments, oh shit. Okay, oh yeah. I mean, exactly. Like if you're making out your money in tournaments and actually like competing, by all means, you know. If I was still really good in like in the comp scene and like was bagging out free money, I would do it. Let me know my tag is clean. I'd have to download it. I have to get it, download it. It takes too long. And recently, I just been on my MacBook a lot, and guys, I want this push to happen so I can like move stops up to profit and just let price run up to Asia highs here and kind of show back. My phone's gonna die. That's kind of fucked. I mean, I got my other phone, but I don't know if I'm logged into my accounts on there. Still 22 people kicking it. That's amazing. We're about to see this trade finally play out and win, and then I can go and sleep. So I'm low-key a little bit tired. We'll see. Enjoy the view. Kick back for a little bit. Yeah. Do some work. Can't hear you again. I'm sorry. I start talking low. I'm getting a little bit tired. That's my fault. Do you trade gold? No. Wall Street Rebel. I hate gold. Do you trade gold? Gold's pumping right now, guys. You probably could have got gold buys, especially targeting Asia highs. But no, I don't trade gold. What about you? Do you like it? I hate it. Makes I'm scared if I'm in your stream on black, I'm gonna argue with someone and give my number of government. Haha. Mic is cutting. Oh no. Give me a second. Got a peep OBS. 1 2 1 2. What is up? We better. Can I talk louder? I just don't want to also talk loud because there's people sleeping too. Gotta wash your ear, but that ain't the mic. Cartooning. At this point, you're gonna scare viewers away talking that much trash. You can't be doing that. Rebel, he does not mean that. It probably was my mic. I kind of have been talking a little bit low, just getting tired. Guys, we're kind of consolidating here. I'm gonna give it until about. I'll give it 13 more minutes. And in that 13 minutes, price either needs to fucking dump and take us out of break even, or price needs to break this high and I can move my stops to here and just get off. Knowing that at least if we get stopped out, we're still taking pretty good profit. Do a challenge for your DoorDash, but then eat their food in front of them. I'm not gonna do that shit. Nobody's gonna watch that. Or like at least my audience won't watch that. You gotta do something involving trading. I always like thought about like a challenge where like I would actually go out on like the streets and like it'd have to be early in the morning. I'd have to go somewhere where there'd be a lot of people early in the morning or something. And then like ask them to place a trade on like a live account. But I feel like I'd have to have, depending on what it is, if it was indice like if 100, I have to have at least like $1,000 account. And then it's like I don't know. I'd have to think the challenge through. Each random hope on the street to trade. Cartini. No. I'm not gonna teach random homeless person how to trade. Maybe one day actually. Change his life. Give me time and I'll do that actually. I take back shaking my head at you. That could be a good idea for the future. You see how Alex G's taking someone and helping them trade until they make $3,000? Like you would think like bro could at least been like 10,000. What the fuck? 3 bands? And then you send him back? Like, what the fuck is that? Like obviously like props to Alex G because I'm not fucking flying someone out and doing that, but I mean you would think 10 bands is pretty doable, like I don't know, maybe just because of the time frame that could really be a thing. Maybe I'm you know not thinking straight. Guys, this is boring as fuck. Cartoony, look what you did. I had people stop fucking chatting because you want to talk shit. That shit talker. Ah, yes. I like more like PR, I guess. Yeah. FXology was a corny kid that got money, was stay corny. Yo, so did the Padres win tonight? No way they came back and won. That's crazy. What the fuck? Marlins suck ass. Hi guys, I know we're dropping the viewers. I kind of want to end it too. I know it's getting late, and yeah, I just want this push higher. That's all I want. All I ask. Price is definitely slowing down here. Price is messing around way too much. Looks like consolidation. That's exactly what that is. And it's fucked. But I'm at break even. I still think price um is good to push higher here. Again, we still have Asia highs sitting up here. I'm expecting those to be manipulated. Next, I feel like somehow this is how you launder your money in your floor boss. How this and Luca's the Godfather. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, something like that. Something along those lines. You'd be surprised. A crazy statement though. Cartoony. Guys, what's going on here? I haven't even checked Jer. Just really been keened in on this, but solid. Still looking like we're pushing pretty strong here. Um, Obviously good sign for UK 100, but that candle right there is absolutely wicked. I mean, again, I really want to see price push higher here before I get off. Either way, I'm probably gonna get off around 1 because it's pushing that hour where I'm like, probably should, you know. Guys, a couple more minutes. I don't know what to do. Luca was telling me to get clipped. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. But actually going forward, so usually we don't move to break even. In this case, I was a little bit more comfortable moving to break even, especially on DAX. Just because if you come look at DAX real quick, once we pushed up out of this area here and came about halfway into TP, we had nothing to pull back into, meaning we had filled in every single gap that price had made on its way up. Price came, opened up here. We had obviously this wick fill in this gap and before price push higher. And then obviously at that point I moved to break even, new price should push higher. And if because again there's nothing for it to pull back into and if it did at that point, it really is just not gonna go up at all and it's probably invalid overall. But UK 100 obviously still had that gap here, but we had such a big um, stop loss, which our original stop loss was kind of pretty far down, or it's actually all the way down here, yeah. But pretty comfortable taking out there, especially knowing that DAX could end up flipping now that we took Asia highs, and that could be the reason UK 100 pushes down. But again, we're break even, so eyes hurt. Guys, wake up. The beautiful lake session. What the fuck was that gap? The fuck is that? I think that took me out. I break even. It definitely probably did. Crazy ass fucking next candle print. Yeah. Out at break even. Broker handed your ass too. Yeah, it straight smacked me. Nah, cause what the fuck? And then the price does that shit. Wow. fucking fade. The fucking fade. I don't even know. Was there news or something? I think there is news. No, but I mean, it doesn't make fucking sense. Why would there be news right now? Damn. Absolutely fucking wicked. Yeah, I mean, that's trading though, guys. Good thing outside break even. The other trade we obviously bagged out on Jer. I'm expecting UK 100 to continue to push up here, guys. That shit did eat you out. That shit did. Yeah, did me wrong. But probably gonna end stream here, guys. I'm expecting price to go higher. If you didn't move to break even here, you're probably still running up profits, obviously. But we'll see what happens. So where the fuck is Jarrett? Why can't I find it? Okay. But again, we already bagged out here. You guys could have rounded up to Asia highs. Obviously, I did say it was gonna go up there. But again, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Truly another banger day. Again, tomorrow. Again, what are you guys gonna think? It's another W tomorrow. So just simple shit. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. Again. Oh my gosh. Fuck is that? Yeah, I'm about to crash out right now. Go follow my Instagram. Post some stories there. You guys see what's up. So I appreciate you all. I am out of here. Later.